Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming my monthly Boxycharm unboxing, but this month I have a surprise. It's the big old Boxyluxe and I'm so excited. So this is the Boxyluxe. It is like massive. So here is like your normal Boxycharm and this is it compared to Boxyluxe. Like, I hope it is picking up. It is literally probably 4 times the size as far as like thickness and length and everything. Like, it's big. It's big. And I know some of the spoilers on what's inside, so I hope that I got what I was wanting. We'll see. That's the issue when I watch this, or when I look at the spoilers and everything. I like get in my mind what I want, and if I don't get it, then I'm upset. And maybe I should just stop doing that. And so I'm just excited about everything. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription service. You spend $21 and you get 4 to 6 full-size products every month. Full-size beauty products. So it can be makeup, hair, skin, anything like that. Sometimes there's tools, different things. Okay? Now, Boxyluxe is something that you can do every 4 months, or maybe it's every 3 months. I don't know. I'll have more information below. But you can upgrade your box and spend an extra $28, I believe it is. Again, more information below, probably on the screen. But you can upgrade by spending so much to Boxyluxe. And this is, I want to say it's seasonally, like quarterly, so 4 times a year. Here we are with the Boxyluxe for December. I'm so excited. Alright, so the first thing that I see is this card. Here it is. It's extra large, but you flip it open and inside you get to see, I guess, the box, which I'm not going to look too much into. And this is 'Tis the Season. The first thing I see in here is this, and it says PYT, it's a girl's world. And if this is what I think it is. It is, I'm so good at guessing. I knew what it was. This is a mini straightener. Here it is, and I got the purple color. I don't know much info about this. I don't really need it, so I'm probably going to put it in a giveaway coming up. But this is a neat little thing to put in there. That's like a high-priced item. It's by PYT, and it's the mini hair straightener. And this would retail for $75, which is like the price of a full-size straightener. Alright, next, I see this Spongelli, and I love these things. I buy these all the time, especially when I did FabFitFun. They would have them on the page, like the add-on page, and you could add them on. And they always were discounted, and I love these, so I'd always buy them. They are a sponge that is pre-soaked in body wash, but it's like a buffer sponge. It's a little bit more abrasive, so it's great to like scrub away fake tan. That's why I love these. They're so good to scrub away fake tan. And you can use them after they run out of soap and just put your own soap on there. But this is in the shape of a star, and it's just wrapped in cellophane, and it's squishy because it has that body wash in it, but you can smell it. This is Blossom Bliss, and it smells like sweet pea, which is not my favorite scent, but I'll use it, and I love these so much. That's an actually really great thing to have in here, and this retails for $28. The next thing that I see in here is the Elemis. This is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. This is retails for, oh my gosh, this is $90. I buy expensive skincare, but not $90 moisturizer. Lord. Ooh, and this is 1 ounce, which is a standard moisturizer size, but this is an anti-aging moisturizer, and that's the little jar. I'm excited to try this. I am excited that this is in there. That's a good skincare product. $90 face cream? Yeah. This is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. And this is something else. I'm not a big fan of blush and highlight palettes, so I will probably, which I'm not going to say probably, I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to put it in a giveaway for y'all. And it's got a nice little mirror in it. Here is the palette, and it's got like a peachy blush, a more pink berry tone blush, and then a gold highlight. This retails for $26. I think the alternative to this was face powder, and that's what I was hoping for. I told y'all, that's what I get for looking at the spoilers and saying, that's what I want. I'm not going to get it, of course. This is the Luxe Complete Face Set. So it's a full thing of brushes. So you have 8 items in here. It's 8 pieces. And this is a nice little box. I think I like the box. And the Luxe brushes that I've gotten in the past from Boxycharm are great brushes. I have quite a few of them back here, and I use them regularly. I just bought a brush set though from Morphe. I bought the Jaclyn Hill brush set, and then in the past I've bought the Jaclyn Hill brush set, and I also ordered the James Charles brush set. So I've got tons of brushes. I don't need any more personally. So what I'm going to do with this is put it in a giveaway for y'all. I know that y'all would use it more than me, and I'd rather it get used and loved. So this right here is worth $65, and it's got great brushes in here. You've got a foundation brush, a powder brush, a highlight or contour brush, 3 eye brushes, which are probably the 3 eye brushes that you would need to complete a look, a spoolie, and a lip brush. That's awesome. Couldn't ask for more. So yeah. Next I have the Tarte. This is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint, and this is in the shade Flamin' Hot. So I bet it's going to be red. We'll see. They had a champagne shade, and that's what I was wanting. Yep, it's like a purple red. So again, I will not swatch this. I know myself. This is not me. I'm not going to wear it. This is worth $20, and this is another thing that I'll put in the giveaway. And this is the Lorac Royal Treatment Primer and Mascara Duo. So on one side, it's got the primer, and then on the other side, it's got the duo. You unscrew it. I'm not going to unscrew it yet. I don't want to open mascara until I'm ready to use it, because it dries out. You're just going to let air in, and I'm not going to do that because I don't want to affect the formula. I'm not ready for a new mascara yet, but this would retail for, this would be $24. Man, I have not bought a high-end mascara in so long. I forgot how expensive high-end mascaras are. That's about right. This is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and it's the Holy Grail palette. This is going to be warm tones. I know it. I've seen it before. I've watched tutorials with it. I wanted it for a long time, but I didn't want to buy it. And here I am, and I can't open it. You can buy Violet Voss at Sephora. You might not be able to get it out of the box, but you can buy it. Golly. Holy macaroni. Oh, there we go. Finally. Came all protected in some fancy cardboard. Ooh, it's so fancy. Alright, here I am. Popping it open. Ooh, it's got a nice mirror. Check myself. This is inside the palette, and yes, please. This is my kind of palette. Lots of golds, lots of wine red shades, warm neutral shades. Alright, this is a good palette. I'm excited about this. You can buy this Violet Voss Holy Grail palette for $45. So this is a great thing. I'm glad this was in here. This kind of makes it more worth it to me. Will definitely be used. And then the last thing in my box this month was this little bag. It's like a wristlet, and it says Glam AF. So it's like cheap fake leather feeling, but whatever. There's something in here. But it's just like a little wristlet. I would probably keep memory cards in here for my camera, or lipsticks, or maybe like eyeshadow brushes when I travel. This would be good for that. But inside it came with, what is this? Oh, it's one of those little chargers. Cool. Like a little wireless charger thing. I think I'm excited about this a lot too. The bag is like whatevs, but this, I mean, I can always use a portable charger. My phone is always dying because I'm always on it. So yeah, love that. So in that bag and the portable charger would retail for $22. All right. So the value of this Boxyluxe was $386, almost $400. That's incredible. Now, for me personally, this box was probably not worth the additional upgrade because I didn't love everything. For me, it's very worth it for y'all because you got lots of good giveaway items in here, you know? I will do Boxyluxe another time and hopefully it's a little bit better. I'm still kind of on the fence on if I think it's worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think about Boxyluxe, if you think I should stick with it or go ahead and cancel it. The first one they had got me real hyped for this one. Like, it looked incredible. And this one was kind of so-so. I think the palette and that portable charger really saved it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it, guys. Go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Make sure you like this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.